Hey y'all, happy Tuesday, and I am getting ready to go to my friend Victoria's house, who I think you saw her in my other vlog where we had a friend date at Market Street. Listen, if y'all don't have a fabulous year in food, 52 delicious way to connect with family and friends, you are missing out, because we are having another foodie friend date. So I'm going to her house and we're having like a cooking date. Like, I mean, her husband's gonna be there, but we gonna have a good time. We're gonna make soup, and then after I leave there, I'm going to church tonight for New Year's Eve service, and then it will be 2020. So I just got my Instacart order, which I usually have great experience with the shopper, but I think maybe because it was busy or maybe she was in a rush, and like it was only 14 items and it took her a while to shop it. I was like, but it also could be the store that I sent her to, because they be suspect sometimes. Anyway, but for the most part, it was fine. It was convenient. It saved me time. I'm getting ready to head out. I need to pick up some wine for us to drink while we cook, and then I'm gonna head on over to her place. So we'll see if she lets me vlog. We'll see. I'll take y'all with me, okay? So I'm headed to Trader Joe's because they have the kind of, oh, I did not want to go in reverse. I'm glad I'm in a cul-de-sac. Listen, I probably should get me a little mount if I'm gonna be vlogging. I need to get a vlog camera because I have a DSLR, but it's huge and heavy. So I'm vlogging from my phone and I don't have a new phone. I need to get a new phone. I probably should get a new phone, and then I don't have to get a vlogging camera. Anyway, y'all don't care about that. So I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's to grab the wine. It's actually out of the way, but that's the wine that I want. I mean, I guess I could see what they have right over here, and that would be on the way, and I could be relatively on time, but because that's like another 20 minutes out the way. Yeah, I'm just gonna go into this grocery store right over here and see what they have, and see if they have the wine that you know what, I know I'm gonna go to this other grocery store. I live like in between two grocery stores that I never shop at because I'm bougie. Like, I live between a Albertsons and a Kroger. I don't shop at either one of those. I'm not saying that they're bad grocery stores. I just don't shop there. I'm more of a Sprouts, Central Market, Whole Foods, occasionally Trader Joe's kind of person. I'd like Trader Joe's for their private label stuff, but I don't buy the bulk of my groceries there. So, all right, let's go. Okay, I'm a sweet wine drinker. Let's see what they have here. Do they have the one I'm looking for? One. Okay. They have, ooh, I don't want that. Okay. I think I can know what I want. Okay, so they didn't have the kind that I wanted, but they did have kinds that I liked, which is, and listen, I have told y'all before, I'm a little embarrassed as a professional chef that my wine palate is not sophisticated at all. Like, I like sweet, cheap wine, like I do. So I got the Stella Rosa Pink, and these are semi-sweet wines, and then I got I think this is the regular Stella Rosa Red, semi-sweet. Listen, judge me, judge your mama. I'm honest about it, right? So in some ways my palate is very sophisticated, in some ways it is not. So let's see if we can head over there in a decent time, because we were originally supposed to get together at noon, and it's like 12:19 right now, and I told her 12:30, so let's get close to that. So I'm about to text her now, let her know I'm on my way. Look how raggedy this cord is. This is my cord. Like, my cord at home is super cute, but this is the most raggedy. I need to get a new cord. I'm gonna do better. But let me be on my way. Oh, and I meant to ask you, do you like these foodie vlogs? Like, by the time you watch this vlog, you'll probably see like 4 or 5 of these. I know they're short, I know they're this, but I just wanted kind of to give you, like, I really like to talk about like connecting with friends and family over food, and so I live what I talk about, you know what I mean? So if you like these, let me know, and I'll keep them coming. I may keep them coming just for my own, like, be able to look back and reference them, because I used to vlog like just regular life and beauty vlogs on a different channel, and to look back over some of those vlogs, like, I don't even remember those days, but I'm glad that I captured it so that I can reference it. So anyway, okay, let me go. So I'm here, I'm sitting in the visitors parking, and she is going to come and get me. I've got the wine. Y'all, I didn't bring an apron, I didn't bring a knife, I didn't bring anything. So this is about to be fun. Listen, I haven't done this with a friend in a minute, so I'm excited. We'll see how her and her hubs feel about being on camera. Hubs may not want to be on camera, but it's all good. It's whatever. We might live stream part of it. I don't know. If you're not following me on Instagram and following her on Instagram, I'll put her Instagram either on the screen or in the description box. Y'all should be following her. She does like food and fitness and all of that kind of stuff. So yeah, follow her journey. So we're here. She made a cute little board for us.
Minus the cheese.
Except,
half the cheese went in the dirty dishwater.
she dropped half of the goat cheese in the dishwater.
Oh!
It's okay. This is enough for the 2 of us. We both don't need to be eating that much dairy anyway.
Nope.
So, you know what I'm saying? Jesus was trying to help us out.
Jesus knew, like, nope.
He knew. Isn't this cute? She got a little vignette right here. I don't know if she wants to be on camera, so I'm not
I don't
gonna.
mind. Hi, friends.
She's back. Hi, friends. Are you following VickyD on Instagram? If not, you should.
Victoria Davis Ford.
Victoria Davis. I'll put it on the screen and in the description box. She was in my previous vlog. I think I told you these guys already. The Modern Market one. So anyway, we're about to cook.
Shut down Modern Market, guys. They made us leave.
I know, because we were running our mouths. We were in there for like 2 hours, and then stood in the parking lot for like another 40 minutes, which we have a bad habit of doing, of standing outside in the cold and talking forever.
Let's do that in the summertime when it's hot.
Girl, and sweat and get some vitamin D. But yes, I need to go to some of these workouts she'd be doing, because I've been slacking. I was doing so good, but I've been slacking. Anyway, I'm about to enjoy some of this. I'm having, what is this?
Trader Joe's Mineral Sparkling Water.
Mineral Sparkling Water. It's kind of like, not like LaCroix, but it's in that family.
Water all over the floor, guys.
Y'all, let me tell you why I'm so excited. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Somebody else is cooking for me. Do you know how excited I am? Like, I know I'm cheesing ear to ear, but like,
Pleasure, guys.
look at this! And it's somebody who actually knows how to cook, right? So
Just a little bit, guys. Just a little bit.
whatever, she's being modest. Go to her Instagram, you'll see the things. Follow her. She does this whole segment called Cooking with VickyD.
Ooh, thought that was empty.
See, that's all right.
Players F up, guys.
Listen, I burn stuff all the time.
R.I.P. the coaches.
Listen though, but here's the thing. I do not critique. I do not judge.
She has it.
Sometimes I try to take over, but I usually don't. Well, that may not always be true, depending on. This is like our first time, so I don't take over. I just like to enjoy being on the other side. Like, nobody cooks for me.
I'm kind of surprised to hear this. They probably get nervous.
They do, and I'm like, I've been cooking since I was 6, so I'm like, before I went to culinary school, people used to cook for me all the time, and I'm like, the only thing that's different is I went to culinary school. Like, I'm still the same Evelyn. I don't understand why it's a thing now. So
People think you have people know you have advanced training, so they don't want to be judged.
but I don't judge. That's the thing.
She hasn't judged, guys, and I'm sitting there like, oh God, cover your knife, cover your fingers.
I I enjoy it. So anyway, all right, y'all are gonna have to wait. I like to be present. Thank you very much. Anyway. Browning the chicken sausage. You want it really, really brown. Let's see if it's brown on the bottom. Ooh, that's fun. Let me not try to do this with 2 hands. Okay. Brown like that. That's what you want. And now you can break it up. Ooh, the steam. He's going in with the onions. I'm gonna turn the heat up. Yes. Tag team cooking. I love it.
I think about you.
We got wonderful vocals by VickyD.
Listen.
Vocals and flavor. Listen. So onions gonna go in first. We're gonna sweat them. We don't necessarily want to get a lot of color on them.
It's time for a workout.
And this is where you could add if you're gonna add herbs or anything, this is where you could add it.
Oh, we do have herbs.
So what is that you're adding?
Fennel seeds.
She's adding a little bit of fennel seed just to up that sausage flavor. So good. I've already added the red pepper flakes when we were cooking the chicken.
Should I add some oregano? Sure.
A little oregano in there. I love it. I love it.
Ooh, that one hasn't been open.
That's all right.
Let's get one that's been open. No one buy me any more of these, please. Thanks, manager.
Okay, yes. Let me do a public service announcement. This right here, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. If you have somebody in your family who likes to cook, a chef, non-chef, but a foodie, don't ever buy this. I know you think you're being creative and helpful. Also, don't buy them kitchen tools because more than likely you don't have the same taste that they have. Get them a gift certificate or a gift card to Williams-Sonoma, Sur La Table, even Amazon. Okay. But don't buy this. And if you have this and you had the same one you've had since college, throw the whole thing out. Burn it. Set it on fire. Okay?
Because the herbs have mildew.
The herbs have mildew. I tell people, like,
herbs so bad.
When herbs are pre-ground and you keep them next to the stove, 3 months max. Maximum. VickyD is cooking it up. Look at my pot. Smell it. So good.
Something else.
So this is how food photography works, y'all. Like, we out here. Look, she got her shoes on. I got my shoes on. With like, it's cold outside. Like, we legit outside.
In case I ever wondered.
It goes down like this.
This is my thug cooler for those of y'all who know.
listen. This is what vlogging looks like behind the scenes. Like, it's not as sexy as it looks. But here we go. This is the zuppa Toscana, lovingly prepared by Victoria. Yeah. So delicious. Dairy free. Okay, not meat free, but dairy free. Looking good. Hey y'all, so I didn't end the vlog with Victoria earlier because I was tired. I came home, I took like a quick 30-minute nap, took a shower, got dressed, put on some face. I'm on my way to church for New Year's Eve service. I'm going to the early service. It starts at 8. It's 7:15. I wanted to get there at 7:15. Yeah. And so after that, I'm going to be meeting up with a homegirl and going to church. But in case I don't get any of the New Year stuff, Happy New Year. By the time you see this, I think it'll almost be the end of January because I've got other vlogs prepared. But this is me on December 31st wishing you an official Happy New Month, Happy New Year, Happy New Decade. And yeah, and I kept it really casual because I'm actually sleepy. I could be in the bed. But had a great time with Victoria. I love getting together and cooking with my friends. The soup was delicious. I think I'll insert a picture of the finished product somewhere in here. And if I got any of the footage that she got, I will hopefully have inserted it in the vlog. So anyway, if this is the end of the vlog, I'll see you next year. If not, I'll come back and I'll show you. I think they just want to go to the Cheesecake Factory, so I'm probably just gonna have dessert later on tonight, but I gotta go. Okay, peace. This episode is brought to you by funfoodshirts.com, an online boutique that is serving up apparel for every appetite. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to tune into the Eat Out at Home podcast, an audio outlet for foodies who want to cook better, eat healthier, dine together, and enjoy gourmet every day. You can find the Eat Out at Home podcast on your favorite streaming platform. And to see what I'm cooking up in between videos, follow me on Instagram and Facebook for some delicious behind the scenes. That's all for today. I'll see you next week. Peace.